Okay, it looks like we've got another movie going, thanks to the remote. I'm just going to take some short clips of some of the little side roads that I haven't been on in a couple of years. Actually, I haven't done much riding in a year or so. This is going to be the road up to Sawmill Peak, and actually maybe for the Admiral, I'll head up there and take a little video. But let's take this little side trip. Yep. Well, that's not much. The side trip is going to be till Sawmill Peak. Actually, I wonder if that's some single track to the lookout. Let's see what happens. What I've got going is my fan, which I can turn off now. It's 232 degrees. I think I have the light on the vector set at 248. I'm not sure about this. Well, trouble is with stuff like this is you just don't know what you're going to end up dealing with, and turning around can sometimes be really a pain in the ass. Well, I'm kind of back on the main road, so no harm, no foul. This looks like on the other side. Yeah, this is doable for me, I guess. big clunky boots, it's hard to, there we go, hard to find neutral. There we go, 234 degrees. All right. I'll just look up. I think there's the bike. Okay. And for our lookout tower, man, let's see here. Ideally, we got it. And I'll walk out overlooking the valley. You can kind of see some of the trails that I've been on and have ridden in the past. Okay. I don't know whether the sun is going to provide too much glare. That's a little clearing of paradise. That's probably the shopping center with Kmart and such is my guess, but really just a guess. Holy moly. There's, I'm going to say, well, let me take the camera up and out and see. Okay, in between the rock and the sign, there's traffic going over Koodalink Dam or Paradise Lake, I guess. And it's hard to tell from here, but the lake is real low. Okay, and a panorama of just my neck of the woods. Okay, well, I'm going to turn it off.